morning mga palangga! So nandito tayo ulit sa ating kitchen kasi magluluto tayo or magbe-bake tayo ng ating shortbread. Nakahanda na yung ating mga ingredients. But anyway, kung may naririnig kayo dyan, hangin po yan. Malakas pa din yung hangin dito. Alam niyo ba, napanood ko yung news kaninang umaga at marami talagang naapektahan sa bagyo. May bagyo po dito. And binaha yung mga properties nila. Sobrang nakakaawa kasi yung mga tubig. Ang tubig talaga sobrang lalim ng tubig. Yung ibang report, pinapakita na yung mga sasakyan nila, nalubog ng tubig, yung mga flats nila. Nakakaawa, pero ang importante, safe naman yung mga tao na naapektahan sa baha, pinalipat sila. So, yun yung importante. So, thanks God pa din. Diba, kahit na ganyan, meron tayong mga pagsubok na hinaharap. So, anyway, so ngayon, na-inspired ako magluto ng, or mag-bake ng shortbread. Kasi kanina, nag-online yung family ko at sabi nila, pag-uwi ko, magdala ka ng shortbread. Kasi, nung nagpadala ako ng balikbayan box, nagpadala ako ng shortbread at sobrang nagustuhan nila. At sabi ko sa kanila na, okay, magdala ako ng shortbread, pero alam niyo naman, merong restriction tayo sa weight, sa luggage. So, sabi ko sa ate ko na, mag-try tayo mag-bake pag-uwi ko if meron tayong oven. Wala kaming oven sa bahay at sinabi ko din sa kanya na mapapractice din ako dito. Baka pag-uwi natin, may budget tayo pambili ng oven pero hindi ko mapapromise. So anyway, yung recipe na ipa-follow ko is from BBC Food. Sobrang dali lang ng recipe. Well, it sounds very easy. Yung ingredients is 125 grams of butter, 55 grams of custard sugar, and 180 grams of plain flour. So, dito, sa gilid niyo, meron tayong food processor. Ito, food mixer. Yan. Hindi ko to ginagamit. Nagamit ko lang to mga once, twice. So, ngayon, it's her time na magagamit natin to. Kasi nakastock din to sa cupboard natin ng ilang years. Against the light kayo. Yan. So, sabi sa recipe, i-mix daw yung beat the butter and sugar together until smooth. So, ilagay natin yung ating butter. Yung butter natin, naka-room temperature to. Ay, hulog. And sugar. Ready? Ilalagay na natin yung ating flour. Unti-unti lang. Ang settings pala nito, pulse 0, 1, and 2. Yun lang yung settings niya. Ang kagandahan nito, pag hindi mo siya na-install ng mabuti, hindi siya nag-work. So, meron talaga siyang safety, di ba? So, ito na yung ating mixture. Para siyang, at the moment, para siyang breadcrumbs. Yan. Kailangan na natin siyang i-form into dough. Ito yung first time na gumawa ako ng shortbread. So, hindi ko pa alam yung magiging resulta. ito na. Happy na ako dito mga palangga. Ikakat na lang natin siya into like fingers. So, hopefully lang talaga masarap to. So, ikakat na natin itong ating shortbread. Yung shortbread natin sobrang thin. Have you tried to make a shortbread before, honeybee?
Yeah.
Ito na yung shortbread natin. Kinat ko na siya.
There's still.
Eh?
Still. Cooking lessons.
Cooking lesson. So, ito na siya. So, ipiprek lang natin siya ng cocktail steak. So, ito na. Yan, ito yung before ng ating shortbread. I-sprinklean ko lang siya ng sugar. Kaunting sugar. Caster sugar yung gamit ko dito. Ilalagay ko muna to sa fridge. Iti-chill natin to for 20 minutes. Then, babalikan ko kayo. 20 minutes is up mga palangga. So, ilalagay na natin yung ating shortbread sa ating oven. Hopefully lang talaga hindi maamoy yung ating shortbread dahil meron tayong, tingnan nyo, ham. Bye! Hopefully you're good. Oh, good luck. So, sabi dito, i-bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Na-timer tayo sa phone ko kasi meron ng timer dito para sa ham. So, 15 minutes muna yung ita-time natin, ha? There you go. Hopefully lang talaga it will turn out good. I-check natin. Hala! Luto na siya. Nag-golden brown na nga, oh. Wow! Yan na. I cannot wait. Palamigin natin. I'm so excited to taste our shortbread. It smells so good from here. Kailangan na natin siyang ipa-cool down kasi mainit talaga. Kailangan ko ding mag-get ready kasi meron akong appointment ngayon sa clinic at 1 o'clock. So, pag-uwi na natin yung tikman. Even though I am very excited talaga. I'm ready to go. I hope lang talaga hindi ito makalimutan ni Mr. kasi yung ham, 20 minutes na lang yung natira. Yung ating shortbread, malamig na, pero pipigilan ko muna yung sarili ko kasi malilate na ako. Magpapaalam lang tayo kay Mr. na alas na tayo. Hello, girls! Hi! Hi! Oh, no, 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 Pipa, no jumping, please. John! I'm going. Don't forget the meat, Han. Where are you? Don't forget the meat. It's 20 minutes.
I'll set me timer.
Okay, right. I'm going.
We're working 17 minutes now.
Or else it will get overcooked or burnt. Bye.
Where's the Dougals?
They're outside.
I better lock them up. Locky, locky.
You need to give them an update of the restoration.
Okay.
Let's go. Noon talaga pag meron ako mga appointment at yung ginagamit ko pa na sasakyan is yung Toyota ko. Natatakot talaga ako mag-drive doon. Kaya ayun, si Mr. yung naghahatid sa akin pag may mga appointment. Pero ngayon, sabi niya, kaya mo na yan. Nagpa-follow ako sa isang truck mga palangga, puno ng hay. At yung mga hay nagsisiliparan. Nandito na ako sa car park ng bus. So, maglalakad na lang ako papunta sa clinic. Wala kasing car park yung clinic dito. So, kung pumupunta ako sa clinic, nagpa-park ako dito sa bus. Ayun lang talaga yung parking ko. Okay. Tingnan natin. Okay dito. Tingnan natin sa kabila. Okay naman. Tara. I am home. Nakauwi na ako and naaamoy ko yung ating shortbread. Yan. Maghugas muna ako ng kamay din. Ita-try natin. The moment of truth. Ito na. Titikman na natin. First bite kayo mga palangga. Oh my. Ang galing ko. Charot. Nagmamayabang. Masarap. Just like a shortbread. I'm just hoping na pag uwi ko, meron tayong budget pambili ng oven para makaluto tayo ng shortbread sa bahay. Do you have the bag? Yes. Yeah. Pupunta tayo sa grocery and dadaan din tayo sa post office. Whew. Maginaw ngayon. Yung hangin sobrang lamig. Yung sasakyan ko yung gagamitin namin ngayon. Kasi yung susi ng sasakyan ni John, battery operated siya and almost low bat na.
My leg's not doing right well.
No, it's not doing right well today.
See, it's not. Oh. That's it. You can see my Valentine now. Oh, good. Creep.
Are we going post office first?
Yeah, I can do.
You need to remind me, I still have £6 to spend in Tesco.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
£6 in Tesco. Well, that'll cost us no today. Then it'll be free. Is it a token? You got a coupon or something?
Yeah.
Okay. The wind's supposed to start to settle down a little bit today. But it's still going to be breezy, but nothing like it has been.
Bakit ang tagal ni Mr.? Busy siguro ba? 3 item lang yung pinost namin. Mahina yung sale sa AB. Wala talaga akong ka-makeup mga palangga ngayon. Nag-moisturizer lang ako at nagkilay at yun na. Wala. Nakikita nyo naman mga pimple scars ko. Lately yung skin ko sobrang dry niya. He's here. He's back. Yeah, I think I can get out without reversing.
Of course you can. Turn your seat out, let the passenger get ready. Maximum capacity lock.
Yeah, I am in my full lock.
Go. No problem, man. Oh, there you go. Oh, yes. That's what happens when you have an automatic. It makes life so much easier. How are we doing up there?
So we're just gonna go to Tesco.
Yep.
We're not going somewhere.
Tesco only.
Oh, only.
Flood. The else will wash your car, it needs it. I won't go out, it's not even deep though, it's not even deep, darling, at all. Just a little clicking white button, not big. No car.
No cars. They know that I'm coming.
Really?
I think it's okay.
Oh, it's fine. You're fine.
Yeah.
Fine. Place the brake.
I think I'm good.
Don't forget your token.
Yeah.
Is it in your bag?
Mm.
This is your bag.
Where's my
Somewhere.
bag?
Is that it? Good job it was zippered up.
Right. Can you get out okay there?
Might be just enough for him.
I need to check the parking. Ako kasi, nahihirapan akong mag-parking pag maraming space. My parking is good. Nahihirapan ako mag-parking lalo na pag maraming maraming parking space. I cannot decide where I'm gonna go. I don't like the look of it. I like this. Nothing. What size of battery do you need? Can I get a shortbread?
Oh, you need this one, you just make some.
Ito yung shortbread na dadalhin ko sa Pilipinas. What's the expiry date? Where is the expiry date? 2021. So, pwede yan for this year, hopefully. I need 6 of those.
6?
Yeah.
Well, I can't carry any because
Marami kasi kami, so hindi pwede na isa lang yung dadalhin ko. Kasi yung mga ate ko, I have 4 elder. I don't know. Marami kasi kami, so isang box hindi siya sapat. Kulang siya. Kulang pa sa mga bata. So at least 6 box yung dadalhin ko. And what's the weight for the box? 380 grams. So I think I can manage 12. You think?
No, 12. Well, that's 6 kilos.
Well, yeah, I know. And I am only allowed for 30 kilos.
we don't need-
Peas, we need peas. Malapit na yung birthday ni Mr. At tinanong ko siya, what would you like for your birthday cake? Sabi niya, secret. Ako naman talagang tao to. Do we have ice cream?
No, no.
We got loads. Go in here. It's quiet. It's not like you that being quiet. So what would you like for your birthday cake? Han, what's wrong with you? Han,
Yes?
you can speak, you know,
Can I?
but don't be a backseat driver.
No speaking.
No, you can speak, sweetheart.
I see no likey shows finishing.
Eh?
No likey.
What no likey?
That, what is it?
The program?
Yeah.
As in finish, that's it?
Yep.
Why?
End of an era.
Oh.
Driving like a maniac.
Who's driving like a
Him.
maniac?
On this one. shallow puddle. What's up with them?
Yeah, but you don't know what's underneath.
Tarmac.
So what, honey?
What?
What would you like
What do you mean what would you like?
for your birthday cake?
There's Richard. Birthday cake.
What would you like?
Anything.
That's very helpful, isn't it?
Anything yummy.
That's very helpful.
I did a secret birthday cake for you.
Yeah?
Yeah, and it was a secret, so can you
Excuse me, you did not did it. Mama
excuse
did it.
me, I organised it. Okay?
That sounds okay. Really. It's so warm here, honeybee.
Is it?
Yeah.
We'll turn it down a bit then.
So
This is
warm.
your hot jacket.
Mm.
You don't like your new coat, do you?
It's not that I don't like it. It's too good to wear. It's too good to wear.
What's the point of having it then? It's a long time off anyway.
When it's a long time.
It's a Tuesday. Bad day.
You know, I take that as holiday.
Why?
I can organize something.
Don't need to organise nothing now. It's just another day.
I know,
Do you know
but
so? I don't make a fuss about BDs.
well, I do.
I don't.
You know, to make you feel loved,
No,
special.
it's not. It makes you feel old. Me, no, want to be old.
John's car key is battery operated and now it's low bat.
Yeah.
My key, my car key, is rechargeable.
Yeah.
And that's...
Which is more sensible, isn't it? Yeah.
Yung EV talaga, hindi mo talaga siya maaasahan kasi yung sales are weather. Sometimes malakas, sometimes mahina. So ito yung napamili namin. 2 bag, and tonight we're having request ni Mr. He wanting what do you want?
I don't know, you said you were going to make something very special for your husband.
You say something. I've asked you what do you want?
You said on about Cornish pasty,
Yeah.
and then because it had steak in it, oh, not buying that. So you go for the cheaper option.
Okay, hiwain ko muna to. Ito yung nabili ko sa Tesco kanina. Pork loin sana yung bibilhin ko. Pero nung nakita ko yung pork loin na 5 piraso, and yung weight niya is 1.08 kilograms, and yung price niya is 5 pounds and 10 pence. Ito, kinumpare ko sila. Ito is 5 pounds and 33 pence, and yung weight niya is 1.7 kilograms. So sabi ko, ay, ito na lang yung bibilhin ko. I-slice ko na lang siya. So, it makes sense naman, diba? Makakasave ka naman ng maliit. Nagluluto pala ako ng pasta. Yung pasta, pinapakuluan ko siya with, hala, bakit ba yung utak ko hindi gumagana? With chicken cubes. Ah, I see. Tingnan nyo. Ginanon lang pala siya para mukha siyang maganda tingnan ba. You really need to ask John to sharpen this knife. Yung pasta na niluluto ko, luto na siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng peas. At ngayon naman, ilalagay ko to. Itong fusion tuna. Nakabaliktad siya. Sorry. Yan. Nandito kasi yung opening niya at na-open ko na siya.
Don't blame me.
Hey! It's a spicy one. Chili and garlic. Naaamoy ko yung pagka-spicy ng tuna. And titikman natin kung ano yung lasa. Spicy. So, kanina yung pork na hiniwa ko, meron tayong 3 bag dito. Ito is para pang humba or pang adobo. Ito naman pang barbecue. At ito, hindi ko alam kung saan ko ito gagamitin. Lalagyan ko na lang siya ng date. Hindi ko siya lalagyan kung para ano kasi hindi ko alam kung para saan din. Let's see, magkaka-idea tayo near the time. So, date today is the 18th of February. Gosh, malapit na matapos yung February. And ito yung pang barbecue. Ilalagay na natin sila sa freezer. Hala, umuulan ng snow. Hailstone actually. Huwag kayong matakot dyan. Si Frank yan nakadress. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga hailstone. Yan oh. Yan. Tama nga yung hinala ni Mr. na mag-i-snow daw ngayon. And yun na nga, nag-snow. Hindi nga lang powdered snow, yung mga, ano ba, parang butil na snow, yung hailstone. But anyway, papakita ko lang sa inyo saglit yung mga naipon ko na pampasalubong sa Pilipinas. Kasi yun na nga, bumili ako ng another box of shortbread. Papasansyahan nyo na, yung ginagamit ko ngayon is yung cellphone ko. Nalobat kasi yung camera ko. Madami naman akong battery, pero tinatamad ako palitan yung battery. Ito yung mga naipon ko. Nandito pa sila sa Christmas na paper bag kasi mostly talaga ito mga chocolate from Christmas pa to. So, ito na Oh, meron na pala akong 6 na box of shortbread. Yan. Ito. So, meron na tayong 6. Yes, yes please. John is asking if I want coffee. Yes, please. Ito Ito, bigay pa to sa trabaho. Hindi ko siya ginalaw. Kasi mostly naman talaga sa kanila, may expire sila end of this year or next year. Nandito, dadalhin ko to sa Pilipinas. Yan. So, yun. Yun na yung mga naipon ko na pampasalubong. Madami na akong mga pampasalubong. Mostly yung shortbread talaga yung nire-request nila. Sayang nga lang. Meron tayong weight restriction, diba? Pero don't worry, pag-iipunan natin yung ating oven. So, anyway mga palangga, ito na yung vlog natin for today. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang suporta. So, I'll see you in my next vlog and bye! Mwah! Mwah!